Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make amazake. So recently I bought the yogurt maker to make miso, and the yogurt maker I can use lots of things, and also I know that I have rice koji, so I can make amazake in this yogurt maker, and that's what I'm gonna show you today. I am going to use yogurt maker to make amazake. So what is amazake? First of all, they have two different kinds. One is with alcohol and one is without alcohol. And today I will show you how to make without alcohol from Sakekasu. Sakekasu is very key ingredients to make Japanese ingredients, which is miso or shoyu, soy sauce, so on. So very important, and I have Sakekasu and yogurt maker. It is very easy to make amazake. The other one is Sakekasu, making from Sakekasu. Sakekasu is sake leaf. You can make amazake from that too. So two way of making amazake. This is very nutritious food. High vitamin B1, B6, what else? And also folic acid and fiber. Of course, it's sweet, and which is glucose. It actually fad about a few years ago to making amazake from Koji. Because it's health benefit too, which is anti-aging, which everybody wants to have it, and the skin spots removal, digestion, better digestion, and fatigue recovery, and improve metabolism and immune system. So it is very good to drink or eat this one every day, and also tastes good. And now it is very easy to make it if you have yogurt maker. And I bought yogurt maker from Amazon because sometimes even my friends ask me which yogurt maker I purchased, because we need to buy high temperature yogurt maker that you can adjust, because yogurt has lower temperature setting, but those rice koji or sakekasu need higher temperature setting. So I bought yogurt maker from Amazon. I put it below this video, so if you are curious, or if you want to purchase for the future, you may be able to find similar one. this is how to make amazake from rice koji by yogurt maker. And if you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time soon.